Hideaway is a development that was a former home site of Tanya Tucker, and was bought by a developer a few years ago. And the developer installed the infrastructure. Infrastructure is for the sewer is based upon the E1 grinder pumps. And the grinder pumps, there's a grinder pump at every home, and the grinder pumps pump to a central service line, low pressure service line that pumps to our treatment system here about half a mile down the road from the development.
Yeah, so the Hideaway at Arrington was a neat little project where we had a lot of rolling hills. We had a golf course that was already had the infrastructure in for HIT, and then they decided to put a 500 home development around it. So with utilizing all-terrain sewer, it made the system seamless when trying to interject HIT with the sewer plant, which is right down the road.
This system will handle about 200 homes, and when the development gets expanded, which is upcoming, we're going to have to expand this treatment system to serve the 500. So 500 homes ultimately, and with the same building, but a little bit bigger expansion on the outside.
We deal with a lot of limestone and a lot of rock in this area, so just getting down to the frost line at 24 or 30 inches can sometimes be challenging just in that. So you can see where trying to put an all-terrain sewer within that versus trying to put deep gravity would have been a challenge and may have took this 500 home development down to maybe 100.
I couldn't do this without Wascon's help and our operator here, Chuck, our full-time operator, that really are the ones that do all the work. You know, I just worry about it.
We kind of do anything and everything in distribution and collection systems, with working with end users, direct with them, with homeowners with the grinder pumps, or engineers, developers.
I can pick up the phone, or Chuck can pick up the phone if there's a problem with the pump and call Jonathan from Wascon, and he'll be right out. I think the future for all-terrain sewer is very good. It's just proven by these developments that we run. I'm a proponent of grinder pumps and the all-terrain sewer. We don't install the pumps, but we inspect them, and we've developed over a period of time some really rigid steps that we hold builders and developers to as far as installation. And we require not only a certain type of grinder pump, the E1, a certain type of E1, we require a certain type of panel, Protect Plus panel. We make sure they have flex connectors. We make sure that they have the stainless steel discharge valve, the service valve, and a number of things that we've done and developed with Wascon and the folks at E1 over time. I think that's the key for the success of not only ours, but anybody else looking to do a grinder pump system, because that minimizes your failures in the future.